Well, now to the coronavirus pandemic in Maryland. The state reports just under 1,500 new cases in the last 24 hours. The number of people in the hospital and the percentage of people testing positive did drop slightly. Well, today Governor Hogan toured a FEMA-backed mass vaccination site in Greenbelt, Prince George's County. This comes as the state continues to make major progress in vaccinating the public.
We've done 3.2 million vaccines. And 78% of all the people over 65 have already been vaccinated. 46% of all Marylanders over the age of 18 have already received a vaccine.
Now, while most people are pleased with the progress in getting the vaccine out, the mayor of Greenbelt was critical of Governor Hogan about his rapid reopening of the state. And we'll have more on that debate coming up next at 5. And also today, Baltimore Mayor Brandon Scott visited the Primrose Place Apartments mobile vaccination clinic. Mayor Scott says people told him these mobile vaccination clinics make it so much easier than trying to get to the mass vaccination sites at M&T Bank Stadium or the Convention Center. And speaking of the M&T mass vaccination sites, starting this Friday, anyone over the age of 16 can walk up and get a vaccine if there is enough supply.
Maryland and federal investigators are on the lookout for fake websites posing as biotech companies. 3 domains have been seized after posing as fraudulent companies claiming to develop COVID treatments, instead collecting personal information from people and using that information for fraud. Phishing attacks and deploying malware as well. This comes as Marylanders continue to get vaccinated. The United States is approaching a major milestone in the battle against the pandemic. The White House says by the end of the week, nearly half of all adults will have had their first shot. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says nearly 42% of the population over the age of 18 has received at least 1 dose of the vaccine. The CDC says the rapid pace of vaccinations is also helping slow the death rate from the virus.